Hello, everybody. Oh, good morning, humanity. Good afternoon, good evening, or maybe the middle of the night, wherever you are. We are broadcasting from a very, very rainy Oroville. Thank goodness for the rain. We've just come through 2 cyclones and heavy rains, and we are safe. We've lost a few trees, unfortunately. Some other parts have been damaged, but we're here. And as I was riding my cycle here furiously to be here on time, I began to remember when I was a kid, and I would sing this song. Maybe you sang it. It goes like this. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. And then I started to riff on it. Rain, rain, go away, hey, come again another day. Oh, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. And then I thought, wait a minute. I love the rain. And I'm so happy and grateful for the rain because it gives me an amazing opportunity to grow beautiful food in my garden. It cleans my home outside, and I get to puddle hop. But this time I wasn't puddle hopping because it's like a lake. So I was riding my cycle through a lake. And then I remembered. I have someone who comes and helps me with my gardening and someone who comes and helps me when I'm inside the house. And they said to me, you know what? The roof blew off my house. What do you mean the roof blew off your house? And then the gardener said, and the coconut tree, the palmata tree, fell on my house. And I thought, whoa, how blessed am I? How blessed am I that I have a home that has 4 walls, that has a beautiful garden, that has a roof that's not leaking. And just 5 kilometers away from me are people that don't have a home. And then I thought, this week is International Human Rights Week. On the 10th, we are going to be celebrating international human rights, which started in 1947 with Eleanor Roosevelt. And while we are rejoicing for so many things and we're grateful, let's not leave anyone behind. We want to bring the whole world with us so we can all experience happiness and joy and love and laughter together, so that when it falls, when the rain is coming down, and it's not just raining water, but maybe it's raining money. Wouldn't that be wonderful if it was raining abundance, so that everyone in the world had a safe home where their kids at night were dry, where their clothes when they wake up were dry so they don't have to get into wet clothes. So as we take this out, look, not only wet clothes, I actually have a raincoat, that fishermen wear. Oh my goodness, there. And I actually have rain trousers so I can stay totally dry. I never thought I'd be undressing on camera, but here I am and in the radio. But there we go. Woo! So here we are. So now just to imagine the rain coming down and you are outside playing and having a gorgeous, gorgeous time. So have your umbrella in your hand and we are going to laugh our way out. And as we laugh, what I invite you to do is I invite you to imagine that the water also turns into healthy drinking water, so that then the water cleanses us inside and outside, and the bore wells and the lakes and the rivers and the oceans are filled with water. So we have water for all the animals, all the plants, and all of us. Give yourself a huge, huge wet hug, and let's laugh our way out, sending that intention of beautiful, clean water for the world. And you guys gonna join me on laughing? Okay, and Stefano's behind the camera now. Woo-hoo-hoo! We are laughing in the singing in the rain.